So what causes hyperopia? Well, really it's part of the biological variation we see in every parameter of biology. So we know that if we measure people's heights, we see a normal distribution. If we measure lengths of arms, digits, we see this normal distribution. And we see the same thing with eyes, but with an interesting additional factor. So we know from study of Aboriginal populations that if people are living an outdoors hunter-gatherer type lifestyle, in that population, all the individuals have great distance vision, and some may be long-sighted. So the long-sightedness forms part of that continuum of the normal variation in biology. So they've got, at a young age, good distance vision. They can compensate for their bit of long-sightedness with effort. They can contract their ciliary muscle, accommodate, flex the lens inside their eye, and correct their own long-sightedness at a young age to give a good distance image. And then pull in even further for near vision. They will lose that ability later. But in these populations, you tend not to see so much short-sightedness. It's actually incredibly rare. But as soon as you take a population like that and make all the young people go to school and make them start to read all the time, about 40% will become short-sighted. So clearly, again, there are some genetic factors making these individuals susceptible to developing short-sightedness. But it's fascinating, isn't it, that changing that environment they're living in and the way in which they're stimulating their own visual system, particularly early in life, can have this huge effect in how the structure of their eye develops and changes over the course of their early life, and even adult life, for this fundamental thing to occur, for them to become short-sighted, such that distance is blurry and the world in which they're spending a lot of time working and studying is in focus. They've made their optics so powerful that this world is nice and crisp on the retina, but the optics are too powerful for the images out there, and they need to wear spectacles or contact lenses or have laser eye surgery to correct that.